Suttner's Hose Guide System makes vehicle and equipment cleaning as simple as possible. As with all Chief's hardware components, the Hose Guide System makes routine cleaning fast and easy. The system comes with a range of wall and ceiling brackets to mount the rail in whatever space you have available. Your Chief's dealer will assess your site and determine the exact requirements for a custom wash bay setup. The free-flowing hose system prevents wear and tear on the hosing and puts an end to trip hazards in a busy wash bay. Keep your lances up off the ground and your hosing tangle-free. Keep everything within easy reach and protected from accidental damage. Your hose system can be made to suit your vehicle, equipment and industry. Contact Chiefs Australia to find out more.